grounded.
Jose the Baby Monster Fan 2K13 presents. Shadow Anna puts a railroad crossing sign on Anna's bed and gets grounded. It was requested by JBoy Easter.
Oh my freaking god, I freaking hate my good imposter so much. Because Anna always gets me, my troublemaking roommates, and my friends into trouble and get us grounded. She always become a snitch along with my roommate Asa. I wish I can get revenge on Anna one day. Wait, I have an idea. I'm going to put a railroad crossing sign on Anna's bed.
When Shadow Anna got to Anna's room.
Alright, since I'm in Anna's room, now it's time to go put a railroad crossing sign on her bed. And now I have to get out of here before I get caught.
Since I'm home from school, now, I'm going to play. Wait, what's this? Why is there a railroad crossing sign on my bed? Who could it be? Wait a minute. Since I was at home after school, it was Shadow Anna who put a railroad crossing sign on my bed. Ooh. And for this, I'm going to tell my parents about this. Mom and Dad, can you please come to my room? I have a problem.
What's going on here, Anna?
And why do you look so angry? Is there something wrong? Yes, both of you guys are going to be so angry when I tell you this. When I was about to go to my room after school, Shadow Anna put a railroad crossing sign on my bed. She did what? Ooh. Don't worry, Anna, we're going to ground her right now. Shadow Anna, get over here right now. We need to have a serious talk. Shadow Anna, can you explain why is there a railroad crossing sign on your good imposter Anna's bed? And why did you put it on here?
I don't know, I didn't put it on here. I think it's someone else who put it on Anna's bed.
Shadow Anna, stop lying to us. We said, can you explain why is there a railroad crossing sign on Anna's bed? And why did you put it on here? Come on, tell us the truth, or else there will be serious consequences.
Okay, fine, I'll tell you. I put a railroad crossing sign on Anna's bed, because she always gets me, my troublemaking roommates, and my friends into trouble every day, so that's why I had to put it on here. I am so sorry.
What? Oh my god. Shadow Anna, have you lost your mind right now? We all cannot believe you put a railroad crossing sign on Anna's bed.
You should know that railroad crossing signs are very dangerous. And plus, railroad crossing signs are for trains, not for beds.
I strongly agree with my husband Brian. And for that, you are grounded for 2 weeks. Go back to your room right now, and stay in your room, until we call you down for dinner tonight.
Well, I shouldn't done that in the first place. Whoa.